Have you ever cried out to God and heard only silence? Have you ever knelt in prayer, heartbroken, and wondered if heaven was even listening? When the nights feel endless and hope seems so far away, it is easy to believe you have been forgotten. But listen carefully. The silence is not the absence of God. It is the preparation for something greater than you can imagine. If He is truly working behind the scenes for you, it is easy to feel abandoned when things do not move as quickly as we hope. It is easy to question the timing, to wonder if maybe we were forgotten somewhere along the way. But let me remind you today, even when you cannot see it, even when you do not feel it, God is at work. Behind every closed door, behind every unanswered prayer, behind every moment of silence, God is moving pieces together for your good. He sees what you cannot see. He knows what you do not know. And His love for you is deeper, higher, and stronger than anything you could ever imagine. When the night feels too long and the waiting feels endless, that is when you must hold tighter to His promises. The delays you experience are not denials. The silence you hear is not abandonment. God is perfect in all His ways, and His timing is flawless. Keep trusting. Keep believing. He is working behind the scenes of your life in ways that will soon leave you speechless in gratitude. If you believe God is working even now, take a moment to bless this message by subscribing to the channel and leaving a like for God. Your simple act of faith helps spread His word to more hearts around the world. Thank you. Sometimes we forget that God's ways are much higher than ours. We look at our circumstances through a very small window while He sees the full, endless horizon. We ask for immediate answers, but He is preparing something everlasting. What looks like a no from God may truly be a not yet. What feels like an end may actually be a divine beginning. He uses seasons of waiting to grow patience, to strengthen our faith, and to refine our hearts. You are not standing still. You are being prepared. Every prayer you whispered, every tear you shed, every moment you chose to believe even when nothing made sense, it is all seen by Him. God honors faithfulness. He rewards trust. He delights in your persistence to cling to Him even when the world pulls you in every other direction. Do not measure God's love by your current circumstances. Measure it by the cross, by the endless sacrifice He made for you, by the empty tomb that declared your victory. Friend, if this message touches your heart, I invite you to comment Amen below. Share a prayer request if you need support, or simply lift up a prayer of thanks to God. Together, let's build a wall of faith and prayer in the comments. There are blessings being arranged for you right now that you cannot even imagine. Doors are being opened, hearts are being softened, opportunities are being created that align perfectly with the destiny God has written for your life. Even though your natural eyes might only see obstacles, your spiritual eyes must stay open to His promises. Every challenge you are facing is not meant to destroy you, but to deepen your trust in God. Every unanswered prayer is stretching your hope and making room for something better than what you asked for. You are not late. You are not behind. You are exactly where God needs you to be for the next chapter to unfold. Stand strong in faith. Speak life over your situation. Declare that God is moving even now and that He will complete the good work He started in you. Today, I want you to leave with this truth anchored deep within your soul. God is never idle. Even when you cannot trace His hand, you can trust His heart. Every moment of silence, every delay, none of it is wasted. God is weaving a story so much greater than you can imagine. He is building strength in your spirit, shaping your character, and preparing doors that no one will be able to shut. Faith is not proven in the easy days. It is proven in the waiting, in the trusting, in the choosing to believe when everything around you says otherwise. You are not forgotten. You are not abandoned. You are being held by the everlasting arms of a God who promises to finish the good work He started in you. Right now, take a moment to breathe deeply and rest in this powerful assurance. God is active. He is moving mountains you cannot see. He is aligning breakthroughs that will unfold at the perfect time. So do not lose heart. Stand firm. Keep walking one step at a time, by faith, not by sight. And remember, the silence you hear today will soon give way to songs of victory. Stay faithful. Your miracle is closer than you think. If you were blessed by this message, do not forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a like for God. Thank you for being here, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. God bless you.